The Libraton company sent me this 8-inch metal and wood file set and asked me to give my opinion on it and just check out this tool. I get 6 pieces total, and it's an 8-inch size file set. Comes in a nice carry bag here, so you put them in your bag, in your truck. Little owner's manual. It's got a carry handle here, a couple of clips, hold it together, and then these files just fold out. Got all 6 of them right here. Neatly fit into this bag, so it's got some stretchy material here, plus a pocket on each end to grab a hold of it. So look at this one here. It's like a rasp. Boy, it really, really feels sharp. So if you got some rough work to do, this is the one you're going to want to use. It's very, very rough looking rasp here, flat on one side and then curved on the other. Really well made. The handles feel great. Libraton makes a lot of different tools, and they're really good quality stuff. Going down the line here, got a round one here. It's got a nice file here. It's like a medium style of thread to it. It tapers down a little bit here, not much, but it does taper a little bit towards the tip. Same thing, got a really good meaty handle here to grab a hold of it. So whatever you're doing with this, it's going to be nice and convenient for you. Just slides right back in like that. Here's your traditional file on this end here. Very fine on one side here. I guess they're both the same style on here, but it's very fine feel to it. Really, really well done. I really like the tools these guys make. You've got a triangular one here as well. It's got a similar style bite to it. Bit of a fine depth on this type of file, like a fine cut to it. And again, it also tapers slightly towards the end. And then there's a smaller triangle version here. It's about the same style of grab on here of the file sharpness, but it's a little bit smaller. And this has got, instead of a triangle, this has got 4 sides on it. So whatever project you're doing, you can find a file that's going to be perfect for the manual work that you're going to be doing on that. The final one here, much finer version than that original rasp, but it is curved on the outside here and flat on the inside. So really nice set. Real presented real well. They do such a great job. If you've got any needs for some hand filing, then you're going to find it with this kit. We'll be able to find the right tool for the job, no problem. So, hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this file set from Libraton. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.